Hey guys, welcome to my workshop. Today is Quick Tip Tuesday. I want to share with you something really cool, really quick. I have this window sash, sconce, whatever you want to call it. It's going to go above a window, but I wanted to show it to my wife to give her the perspective of what it's going to look like on how far it's going to stick out off the wall. The biggest thing is I didn't want to put screws in this or fasteners and then have to take them back out, mess it up, and do all that. So what I did, put a little dab of Loctite super glue right on the edge of the board, put it on there, and then glued it just enough so that I can hold it to do what I need to do. As you can tell, it's pretty tight. Once I've got the approval on this, it's real easy to just pop it back off, and I don't have a bunch of stuff to have to worry about. So that's my quick tip for you today. Hope it helps you out on doing some temporary holds to show your wife or somebody you want to show before you completely fasten something to something else.